Changing your Apple ID account on your iPad is easy. You need to follow the simple steps to do. First, open your Settings app on your iPad. Now, go ahead, tap on the current account at the top of the left-hand menu, and you will see the associated email address over here. Well, if you want to log out, scroll down and tap on Sign Out option that is highlighted in red color in the bottom. Enter your password, and then tap on Turn Off in the top right corner. Choose which data you want to keep a copy of, or select Sign Out in the top right to proceed without keeping a copy and confirm your decision. And once signed out, tap on Sign In to your iPad at the top and choose how you want to sign in using another Apple device or manually. Enter the email or phone number associated with the new Apple ID, and then enter the password and sign in to your new account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.